Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. This is good afternoon, my dear legendary students. BJC final year. Heartily welcome to today's session. Thank you very much. This is Krishna, Zoology, HOD of Zoology, Sri Vasari Degree College. So today day after yesterday, we already completed the fantastic overview of syllabus, right? So what is the overview of syllabus already given? Especially for our fifth paper, that is, what is our fifth paper, ma? Anybody can say? Bushra, Radhika, anybody one can say. What is your fifth paper?
DSC.
DSC. Okay, DSC, right. DSC means what, ma?
Disciplinary specific course.
Very good, very good. Disciplinary specific course, right. What is the title name?
Animal physiology.
Yes. Physiology
Biochemistry.
and biochemistry.
Biochemistry.
Physiology and biochemistry. Yes, today we are going to start the syllabus, that is digestion. What, ma? Digestion. So you must be title, take the notes and write the important points about digestion. Important points about the digestion, right? Very, very important. I will give the PowerPoint also. Don't bother about that. Today, overview of digestion. What is digestion? What digestion system is there? Our body, right? For what purpose we are eating? Already yesterday we discussed. Come on, tell me. Actually, in previous semester, you know very well, we already studied pigeon diet system, rabbit diet system. Okay, mechanism of rabbit is we already completed, right? So in this semester, in the fifth semester, it's very easy. That is human digestion. Human digestion, nothing but your digestion, my digestion, how the digestion process takes place, especially for humans. Because of all of you remembering one thing, okay, you must be remembering one thing. You must be understand your digestion process yourself only. Understand digestion of yourself only. What you are eating? What is the mechanism for eating purpose? What type of parts are you for taking of ingestion of food material? Ingestion of food material. What is a mechanism for the digestion? Okay, so these are all the mechanism, a very important mechanism today we are discussing, right? Okay, so all of you, definition. What is definition of digestion? Very important. The definition of digestion. Okay, so may audible and visible? May audible and visible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So actually, very important. What is digestion? What is digestion actually? Anybody can say the answer? Anybody? One person. One person can say the digestion definition. Anybody? You are the Krishna sir student, not other student. Na? You must be say the answer. You must be interact with me.
Breakdown of molecules.
Okay. Varun, tell me beta.
అంటే బ్రేక్డౌన్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అంటే స్మాల్ పార్టికల్స్ గా బ్రేక్ డౌన్ చేసేదాన్ని డైజెషన్ అంటే
Very good. Excellent answer. And any Radhika? Radhika.
That only, sir, but he said.
Okay, right. Very nice. Anyone? Anyone is not there? Anyone is there? Any idea? Okay. Now let us coming to the point. You must be title your notes. What is digestion definition? Actually, very important digestion. The complex molecules of, for example, we are eating complex molecules of food material like carbohydrate, proteins, and lipids. Simply, breakdown of complex molecules of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. What would a breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids? Breakdown of carbohydrate, protein, and lipids into simple compounds. Simple compounds like glucose, amino acids,
Fatty acid.
and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol, right? So this is a definition. Once I repeat, two definition I will give you. Two definition I will give you, right? One minute. Okay. So what is ma? Very important thing. Two definition. Once I repeat first definition. So breakdown of complex molecules. Complex molecules, that is carbohydrate, proteins, and lipids into simple molecules, that is glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol. In the presence of hydrolytic enzyme. In the presence of what would a hydrolytic enzyme? That is called digestion. Okay. So that is very, very important. Simply what we can, another definition. Okay. Converting of complex molecules into simple molecules. Converting of complex molecules into simple molecules, or breakdown of complex molecules into simple molecules in the presence of hydrolytic enzymes. In the presence of hydrolytic enzyme. That is called what would a digestion. Very important. Okay. So these are the three definitions are we all discussed. What would a what number one definition? The complex molecules. What are the complex molecules? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say? What are the complex molecules?
Carbohydrates,
Proteins, carbohydrates,
Only
lipids.
one person. Only one person. Don't say. Only one person. Tell me.
carbohydrates, lipids, proteins.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent answer. Right. Excellent, Rajita. Very nice. Okay. The complex molecules are converted into, or break down into, okay, in the presence of, break down into simple molecules in the presence of what would
Enzyme.
Hydrolytic.
what is that? Very excellent answer. Excellent answer. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, that is hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, so that is very excellent answer, Bushra and Rajita and Joha, Adiba. Right, excellent. And very important thing. So this is a definition, or simply simple definition: breakdown of complex molecules into simple molecules. Okay, in the presence of hydrolytic enzymes, or converting of complex molecules into simple molecules. Simple molecules. For example, these are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. For example, right? Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and converted into or break down into glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol in the presence of hydrolytic enzymes. So that is called definition of digestion. Now, very, very important for the digestion purpose. For the digestion purpose, okay. So, what is the important part of the digestion? What are the parts are involving for the digestion? Mainly for the digestive mechanism, okay, two parts are involving. Actually, in the digestion, we are discussing very important thing. Three parts we are discussing. Digestion mechanism. Number one, digestive tract. What? Number one, digestive tract. Number two, digestive glands. Number three, digestive mechanism. Digestion mechanism, right? So this is a very important three parts we are discussing about the digestion. Okay. For example, very important thing. In this digestion mechanism, mainly what are the parts already given in the digestive mechanism? So, what are the steps are there in the digestion mechanism? Anybody can say? Okay, for the digestion purpose, three parts are the digestion mechanism. We're discussing three parts, three categories, three parts like digestive tract, digestive glands, digestive mechanism. But here, digestive mechanism takes place in our body. What type of mechanism is there? Anybody can say? General, we are doing afternoon. You already done. You already done lunch. I am also done lunch like chicken, mutton, puri, bhaji, like idli, right? Chapati, whatever it may be, breakfast, lunch, whatever we are already done. Na? Already done in the food material, right? Whatever it may be. Okay. So the digestive mechanism starts with what? First of all, we are eating food material. Come on, tell me, Rajita. Any idea?
From mouth.
Now I'm asking about the digestive mechanism steps. Any idea? Any idea? Number one, ingestion. Padma, ingestion.
Excretion.
Ingestion means what, beta? Ingestion.
Food
What?
Food material.
1%. Bushra, you can say. Adiba, anybody can say.
Intaking of food material, sir.
Very good. Very excellent answer. Adiba and Bushra and Joha. Right, Rajita. Right, only these people, these four people are going to interacting. Remaining what? నేను అడిగిన వాళ్ళే చెప్పండి లేకపోతే మీరు ఎట్లా ఉంటారు అంటే ఇంట్లో ఏం చేస్తారో తెలిసిపోతుంది నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది మీరు ఇంట్లో ఉన్నా లేదో తెలిసిపోతుంది రైట్ ఓకే ఓకే ఇంజెక్షన్ మీన్స్ వాట్ నథింగ్ బట్ వీఆర్ ఇంటేకింగ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్ ఇంటూ మౌత్ ఇంటేకింగ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇంటేకింగ్ ప్రే మెటీరియల్ whatever it may be is called ingestion. Then after that food is going to mechanism.
Digest.
Then going to what ma? So he is going to enters into process into the the digestive tract enters into so many parts are there. Then digestion by using of different hydrolytic enzymes. Then absorption. Then absorption, then assimilation, then egestion takes place. But in the digestion mechanism, what are the first 5 steps are there? Okay. Number 1, egestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. Number 4, assimilation. Number 5, egestion. Number 5, what would egestion. So this is very important thing, right? Understood? So these are the important digestive mechanisms there. Now, come on, tell me. Okay. So anybody can say the what. Now we are going to start the digestion process. Digestive tract. Come on, tell me. Anybody can say the digestive tract? Digestive tract. What are the parts are there for the digestion? Which parts are involving for the digestive tract? Anybody can say? Anybody can say, sir? Sangeeta. Cheppama. Sangeeta.
Sir.
Cheppu beta.
Teeth, salivary glands, tongue.
Okay, right. I'm asking about one by one sequence order. Okay, salivary glands. Then Sangeeta.
Sir, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, and anus.
Okay, very good. Excellent answer. Adiba, excellent answer. Very nice. You done a fantastic job. Okay. What are the parts are there? Number 1, mouth are there. Number 1, what mouth. You must be right the digestive tract. First part. Digestive tract. That is what ma? Mouth. Whether open the mouth, the cavity is there. That is called what? Buccal cavity. Number one, that is what beta? Number one that is mouth. Number two, buccal cavity. Number three, what is this? What is this? What is this, ma?
Thorax.
Esophagus.
Hey. Next,
Thorax.
the esophagus here. You know, esophagus here is there.
Pharynx.
Pharynx. Okay, pharynx. Okay, pharynx. Mouth, buccal cavity. This is.
Pharynx.
Then, what is this?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Yes,
Esophagus.
esophagus. And what ma? Then,
Stomach.
stomach. Okay. Then, next what ma?
Small.
Intestine.
Intestine.
Intestine. Okay. Then, intestine. In intestine, how many parts are there?
Two.
Two parts. Three parts are there. In intestine, how many parts
Three parts.
are there? What are those? Anybody can say?
Small intestine, large intestine.
Next one. Next one. I pay Radhika.
Anus.
Direct anus. హృదయాలంతా ఎర్రి పుష్పాలను నిరూపించుకున్నారా మీరు? సో రైట్ వాట్ మా స్మాల్ త్రీ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ బిటా కే నై
Sir, duodenum, jejunum, and
వెరీ
sir,
డియోడినం ileum. Okay, number one part in the intestine, duodenum, nothing but U-shaped. Nothing but U-shaped. That is okay. And so many foldings are there. That is called jejunum. And whether the what happened? This jejunum is connecting with the large intestine. That is called ileum. That is called.
ileum.
How many parts are there in small intestine?
Three.
Three parts. Radhika, tell me.
Three parts.
Radhika,
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
hearing? My voice
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Tagdish, tell me, beta, what are the parts are there? Tagdish?
Duodenum,
Ah,
jejunum,
ah.
ileum.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice, beta. Right. Okay. Now, after small intestine, what beta? Then large intestine is there.
Large intestine.
Large intestine. Who can say the large intestine parts? Who can say the large intestine parts? Who can say the intestine parts?
Sir, in large intestine also three parts are there, sir.
What are the
Cecum,
Okay. Tell me. Anybody can say? Yes, colon, cecum.
sir.
Tell me.
Ascending colon. Rectum.
Bushra. Only one person to say. Only one person. Anybody one person. ఒక్కరు చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఇంకొకరు సమాధానం. Don't say the because if it is a virtual session, it will be going to disturbance, right? So you are the good, legendary students. I think I hope understand. Any one person can say. Remaining people to mute it. Tell me, Joma, tell me. Sangeeta cheppu.
Ascending colon. Rectum.
Ascending colon and rectum. Okay. Ascending colon. In ascending colon, what parts are there? Right? So that is specially for colon. As a colon may ascending colon and descending colon also there, and rectum also there. And in this part, okay, Okay. And rectum also there. Then rectum is open into outside. Totally. So this is a digestive parts. What are the sequence order of digestive tract, especially for very very important, right? Anybody can say in a human being, okay. So total all digestive parts are okay belongs to one canal. What is that canal? What is that canal?
Canal, sir.
Huh?
Elementary canal, sir.
Very good, very good. Excellent answer, ma. Very nice. Elementary canal. So, elementary canal, very important thing. So, to track, we are discussing about completely elementary canal. We are discussing about elementary canal. The elementary canal start with the elementary canal start. Sangeeta, కొంచెం మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకో. డౌట్ అడిగినప్పుడు మాత్రమే క్వశ్చన్ చేయి. ఆ మైక్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసి పెట్టా. వెరీ గుడ్, ఎక్సలెంట్, రైట్. ఓకే. సో ఎప్పుడైతే అడుగుతా వైల్ ఐ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్ యూ మస్ట్ బి గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్, రైట్? Elementary canal. How much length of elementary canal? Anybody can say the answer? How much length of the elementary canal? Anybody can say the answer?
18 centimeters.
What beta?
18 centimeters.
18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. Oh, wow. It's a fantastic wrong answer, Rajita. 18 centimeters बोले तो 18 centimeters means what మా? గింతే కదా 18 centimeters అంటే ఈ నుంచి గింతే 18 centimeters. అంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. కరెక్టా అది?
30 feet. 30 feet.
30 feet.
Yes.
పక్కా? Nearer to answer. It is nearer to answer, right? 30 feet, right? So totally, one thing, our elementary canal, approximately how many meters are there, right? 9 meters are there. How much ma? 9 meters are there, sir. Very important thing. Okay. So that is, you know very very important thing. Okay na? Elementary canal, that is esophagus 1.5. So esophagus and stomach, small intestine, jejunum, small intestine, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and what ma? Large intestine. Large intestine 1.5 is there, and what ma? So our esophagus nearly 0.25. Okay, esophagus to 0.25 of stomach, 0.25 of esophagus. And totally large intestine 7 meters are there. Sorry, small intestine what ma? 7 meters are there. Esophagus 0.25, stomach 0.25, small intestine 7 meters, and what ma? Large intestine 1.5. Totally how much beta? So it will be going to 9 meters exactly. Okay. What are the parts of elementary canal? What are the parts of elementary canal? Come on, tell me. So what are the parts of elementary canal? Nothing but number one. So here start. Okay. Elementary canal start with that means pharynx. Then esophagus. Then stomach. Then small intestine. Okay. Then large intestine. Okay. Then anus. So very very important. That is called elementary canal. Now let us discussing about 1 minute. What are the parts are there in the digestion? Okay. So now we are going to start. The main topic already we discussed a review. Okay. The PowerPoint is visible. My voice is audible. Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yes. Very important thing. So the digestion already given. What is ma? Ingestion and movement and mechanical and chemical digestion and absorption and remaining parts already given. After absorption, assimilation also there, and then egestion also there. These are all the parts are there. These are the steps are there in the what beta digestion mechanism. Okay. So what are the mainly ingestion, movement, and mechanical, chemical digestion and absorption. So then next what ma? Elimination also there. What is elimination? You must be right. Already given. Egestion means what? So here one by one we discussing. So ingestion means already we discussed, right? What is ingestion? Come on, tell me. The ingestion means, okay, so we are intaking food material. Ingestion means what ma? Ingestion means we are intaking food material. Intaking food material means by using of hands. So here, what my ingestion, nothing but we are taking food material into the body. That is called ingestion. Okay. So with help of hands, with help of mouth, we are taking food material. That is called ingestion. Like breakfast, like lunch, like a dinner, whatever it may be. Okay. So that is a one of thing. Okay. Now movement. So what is the movement is there? For example, after engulfing food material, the food material is enters into pharynx. The food material enters into esophagus. In the esophagus, the food material is movement takes place. In the esophagus, the food material is movement takes place. What is that movement? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say the answer? Anybody can say the answer? Hello? Anybody can say the answer? That is called peristaltic movement. Simply what we can call it peristalsis. What we can call it ma? Peristalsis. Okay, so that is very important thing. So in the muscles, especially for in the alimentary canal, many muscles are there. Vertical muscles, radial muscles. Okay, in the epithelial tissue is there in the our element, that means esophagus. Total alimentary canal. In the alimentary canal, the food is movement like that, like water flow. Same. That is called peristaltic movement. Okay. And the third one, mechanical and chemical digestion. What ma? Mechanical and chemical digestion also there. What is mechanical and chemical digestion? Mechanical digestion, nothing but remembering one thing. So the food we are intaking, we are engulfing into mouth. Okay. So come on, tell me. Anybody can say my voice is audible? Audible, my voice?
Sir.
Audible.
Sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Thank you. And visible.
Visible.
Okay. Okay. Right. Thank you. Mechanical digestion, nothing but the food we are intaking food into the mouth in the buccal cavity. In the buccal cavity, what are the parts are there? Come on, tell me. What are the parts, ma? Come on, tell me. What are the parts involving here? So that means in the part, number one, what ma? Teeth are there, and tongue also there, and what ma? So for the mechanical digestion purpose, these teeth and tongue and jaws and palatine, which are useful for the mechanical digestion. What ma? Mechanical digestion, very, very important thing, right? So what are the parts are useful for in the mechanical digestion means? Okay, so
Tongue,
next,
palatine.
palatine, right? And this is the yes, buccal cavity. And in the use of in the alimentary canal, completely vertical muscles, italic muscles, radial muscles, epithelial tissue also in the stomach, alimentary canal. These are also useful for the mechanical digestion. That means peristaltic movement. Right. Now, chemical digestion. Already told you. The complex molecules of carbohydrates, proteins,
Proteins.
and lipids break down into simple molecules. Okay, that is glucose, amino acids, then glycerol and fatty acids.
Fatty acid.
Glycerol and fatty acid. That is called what ma? So here hydrolytic enzymes are useful for the chemical digestion. Remembering one thing. What ma? So these hydrolytic enzymes are useful for the chemical digestion. Okay. Then after absorption takes place. Absorption already given. So the complex molecules are converted into complex molecules are break down into simple molecules. That is, you know very well. So that is very important thing. Carbohydrate converted into carbohydrates are break down into glucose. Proteins are break down into amino acids. Fats are break down into lipids are break down into glycerol and fatty acids. Right? These simple molecules are absorption into blood. Already given in the yesterday, day after yesterday. Absorption into blood. Absorption into blood. So that means by using of microvilli. By using of what ma? Microvilli are there. So many foldings are there in the small small intestine. With help of the small intestine, what happened ma? So absorption takes place. Right. Then what beta? Then let us lost what ma? Elimination. Elimination means what ma? Elimination means what ma? So we are eating with mouth and after digestion, after 3 to 4 hours and after 8 hours, nitrogen as waste material to be formed. That nitrogen waste material, fecal material to remove outside. Okay, through the large intestine. Through the large intestine. So that is called egestion. That is called what ma? Egestion. Egestion means it is also called elimination. Elimination, remembering one thing. What is elimination? Elimination is nothing but egestion. Egestion means what? Tell me, beta. Radhika. Anybody can say respond.
Removal of fecal material from to outside through the large intestine.
Very good, very good. Excellent answer. Excellent answer. Right. Removal of waste material from the body to outside through the alimentary is called elimination or egestion. So that is a process where that is called digestion is the process breakdown of the food into form of your body can use. For example, glucose utilized for the energy. Glucose for the energy, instant energy for the brain. The glucose energy already given. Glucose is useful for the to production of ATP energy. Okay, for the giving of boost. Okay, that is called total. These all the steps are there. And so the digestion is types. How many types of digestion are there? So already given a digestion, especially for mechanical digestion. What ma? In the mechanical digestion, what are the parts? What are the steps are there? Okay, so that is, come on, tell me. The digestion start with mouth. Okay, that is ingestion, right? So mechanical process should be start. So for example, remembering one thing. So mechanical or physical digestion purpose. First, what about chew? Chew nothing but what? Anybody can say? Chew nothing but what?
Eating the food.
What beta?
Chew
Grinding the
means
food.
Yes.
chew, nothing but
With
like
help of our teeth.
what much chewing, whether chewing that means breakdown, one type of breakdown. Chewing nothing but like we are mutton chewing or chapati chewing, right? Tear, like breakdown, and grinding. So with help of tongue and palatine, jaw and teeth also useful for the tear and grinding. Mash nothing but crushing the food material and mixing with salivary gland. That is called what ma? Totally mechanical process should be takes place. Okay, in chemical reaction, nothing but that is enzymatic reaction to improve the digestion. So already told you the what happened, ma? The enzymes are know very well the salivary gland to secrete the saliva. Salivary gland to secrete the saliva. I will explain later. So one by one. So this is a total overview. And now enzymatic reaction means what, ma? In this chemical process, mechanical process, chewing, tear, grinding, and mash and mix. In a chemical process, so already told you carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. These carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids are break down into what? Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids into what?
Amino acids, fatty acids, glycerol.
Carbohydrate converted into glucose. Once I repeat, proteins are converted into amino acids, lipids are converted into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay. Here we are discussing about digestive parts. We are discussing here. Okay, so this is a mouth. Okay, the diagram is visible. PowerPoint is visible, Bala?
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Okay. Now, what happened, ma? For example, here, so digestion, this is a mouth, here mouth and buccal cavity, and this is the that means pharynx, this is esophagus. This one is called what, ma? Esophagus. And this red one, what is red one? What is red one?
Stomach, sir.
Stomach. Okay, then and this one U-shaped, the U-shaped one is that is called small intestine start with U.
Small intestine.
Small intestine start with the duodenum, and these total so many foldings are there. Already told you, so many foldings are there. What is that? What is that? Jejunum. And this jejunum is please mute, ma. Jejunum is end with the jejunum which enters into large intestine, that is called ileum. Whether the ileum connect with the large intestine, here one what, ma? That is residual part is there. Residual part, vestigial part is there. What is that? What is this? Already evolution. The vestigial appendix. Yes, excellent answer. Excellent answer. Okay. Now and remaining part, that is called totally. This is large intestine. Large intestine, ascending colon and descending colon, and this one rectum and anus will be there. Totally, they start with this alimentary canal, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, intestine, large intestine, and rectum and colon also there. And digestive glands. What are the digestive glands are there? Here, liver and pancreas. Liver, pancreas, small intestinal glands, and salivary glands. Digestive glands are 4 glands are involving. How many glands, ma? 4 glands are there. 4 glands are involving. That is the 4 glands. What, ma? Number 1, salivary glands. Number 2, what beta? Number 2, that means gastric glands. Gastric glands. Number, liver and pancreas.
And
Intestinal glands. Wow, very nice. So this is important. And gastrointestinal tract tube with tube. That means tube within tube, nothing but the tract is which is present in the total our body. That means we are going to cytocoelom. That is, we are going to enterocoelomic cavity. Total the body which is one cavity. In the body, one tube is there. That's why it is called gastrointestinal tract. It is called tube within a tube. Direct link with path between the organs. It is linked with the organs. And what are the structures are there here? Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Okay. So, you know very well what is mouth. What is mouth, ma? The teeth is which is useful for the what, ma? It is the mouth, nothing but it is to first opening of your okay, whether the first, it is a first pore engulfing ingestion of the, we are intaking food material through the first pore is called mouth. The mouth which is useful for mechanical digestion or physical digestion. The teeth mechanically break down food into small pieces. Tongue is mixes. Saliva which is useful for the chemical digestion. And here epiglottis flaps are there and palatine also there, which is there in the buccal cavity. In the buccal cavity, what are the teeth are tongue, palatine, and epiglottis. So, and salivary glands are there. Okay, the without salivary gland, except salivary gland, remaining parts are useful for the mechanical digestion. Salivary glands are also useful for chemical digestion. The salivary gland to release amylase enzyme. Amylase. Amylase is nothing but it is a ptyalin. Amylase is nothing but it is a ptyalin enzyme. It is also called amylase. It is to break down the carbohydrate into simple carbohydrate. Okay, we'll explain later mechanism, right? So this is a diagram of very well. Okay, this is a, you know very well, you see tongue and what happened, ma? Epiglottis and bones and totally hard palatine, okay, and soft palatine, oral cavity, everything will be there in the mouth. Okay, so this mouth is useful for example, okay, in the mouth teeth are there. The teeth are useful for what, ma? The teeth are useful for mechanical digestion. The teeth are useful for the mechanical digestion, for grinding, for chewing, for tearing.
Tearing, mashing, mixing.
Yes, right. The teeth. How many teeth are there in our body? Already given in the previous semester. Human being body, the adults are which are contain 32 teeth are there. How many, ma? 32 teeth are there.
Two.
And in children only 20 teeth are there. 20 teeth are there. So that means our which type of teeth are there in our body? That means what happened, ma? Permanent teeth are there. Permanent teeth are there. Okay. So here two types of teeth are there. One is weak teeth. That is temporary teeth are there. And permanent teeth are there. So in what type of teeth are there? Already given. I need not to explain that one. How many, what type of teeth are there for the based upon the function? Anybody can say? Anybody can say?
Hello.
How many teeth are there? So that is
4 types of teeth are there.
4 types of teeth are there. What are those? What are those?
Incisors, canines,
Incisors, canines,
and
premolars, molars.
I see incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors, canine, molars, and premolars. What are the dental formula of a human being? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say?
2 0 2 1 2 3
Anukunta kaadu. You must say right answer.
2,
1 2 3
2 1 2 3 by 2 1 2 3.
2 1 2 3.
Yes, 2 1 2 3 by 2 1 2 3 into 2 is equal to 32. 32 teeth are there. Is equal to 32 teeth are there. Yes, okay, mute. Mute చేయండి అమ్మా, మ్యూట్ చేయండి అని చెప్పాను నేను. ఓకే, సో let me complete only mouth. Today we're discussing mouth to ending. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, because of here network, here charging will be also reduced. The battery very low. Okay, now I will conclude. How many T's are there, ma? 32 T's are there. The formula 2123 by 2123 into 2 is equal to 32. ICPM. ICPM means what, ma? Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars are there. Here, for example, ma, here diagram see. In the diagram, you know very well, what ma? These are all the incisors. These are ma, the 1, 2. These are called what ma? Incisors. These are called incisors. And these are the sharp fines are there, spine-like structure that is called canines. Okay, and these are all called what ma? Premolars. And last one is called molars. Okay, how many teeth are there? Come on, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here also same. Half of the upper jaw which contain 8, half of the upper jaw which contain 8. Okay, na? 4 upper jaw, 2 upper jaw, 2 part of the upper jaw and 2 part of the lower jaw. So here upper jaw also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, totally what happened? 16 upper jaw, 16 lower jaw, plus 32 also there. Come on, tell me, anybody can say total how many incisors are there? Total how many incisors are there? Anybody can say? Anybody can say the answer?
4.
8.
4, sir.
Incisors. Incisors.
8, sir. 8.
Sir.
One person. You can call. Hey, sound to the. Please mute ma. ఏమ్మా మ్యూట్ చేయండి, మళ్ళా చెప్పాలా మ్యూట్ చేయండి అని. ఓకే, సో వాట్ బెటా, యూ కెన్ కౌంట్ ఇట్ 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally incisors are 8. Okay, canines, how many canines are there? Shiva? Canine.
4, sir. 4.
2. Come on.
Sir.
4.
4, sir.
Very good. Excellent answer. 4. And premolars?
8, sir.
8, sir.
8.
8.
Upper 4, lower 4.
Molars?
12.
12, sir.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. So this is a general formula of what ma? Mouth. In the
Mouth.
very important, in the mouth, tongue are very responsible. Tongue and teeth and palatine and which are responsible for mechanical digestion. Salivary glands are useful for the chemical digestion. Okay, so we'll discussing about remaining part tomorrow. Okay, so it will be completed 1 hour. Okay, na? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.